Well, here we are at DSEI 2019, and as usual, we've had the protesters. As of this weekend, there were something like almost 100 arrested, and it's probably more than that by now that the show's actually started. But an interesting aspect this year is one of the people who's added his voice to the dissent against DSEI is none other than London Mayor Sadiq Khan. Now, it's always been something of a strange thing in this country that for a population that always has such widespread regard for our armed forces, there's quite a downer from a vocal minority on the industry that supports them. Now, when you look at DSEI, of course, there are, of course, lethal systems being marketed. There are also systems within these buildings designed to save lives. Increasingly, for example, we have cyber systems being marketed by many defence companies looking to effectively secure our democracy from attack from outside, both from terrorism and from state-sponsored cyber warfare, which is currently ongoing. Now, Sadiq Khan's message is that a lot of people come to London as refugees fleeing war zones and don't really want their face rubbed in the material of war. Well, you'd have to go pretty much out of your way to be affronted by DSEI. The Excel Centre is in the middle of Docklands, it's not in central London, and you'd really have to be purposefully going here to actually see it materially. Quite apart from that, the Mayor is really up against a UK defence industry and a UK government that is marketing that defence industry that brought in £14 billion last year for UK PLC, securing many thousands of UK jobs. That was up from 9 billion the previous year. So I think it's going to be very difficult for him to argue that DSEI should not be here, and I rather think that in 2 years from now we'll all be here again, as we always are.